Hello everyone, I am Anirudh from the Dhan team, and today I'm going to share something very exciting with you. It's a product announcement that we have been working on for a long time, and I'm super excited to announce this now. Let me give you some background to this first. India, as you know, has been making some massive strides with its digital public infrastructure, or DPI, or India Stack as it is called now. This includes the very popular UPI, Aadhaar Stack, ONDC, and more. India's public and private sector have been massive beneficiaries of DPI. More particularly, the financial services vertical, including banks, insurance, payments, wealth, and the likes. When you use Dhan, you are already using a lot of India Stack or DPI as you know it. Payments are made via UPI. When you're onboarded, your KYC is authenticated via DigiLocker. Your onboarding documents are e-signed using Aadhaar. Your bank accounts are verified via UPI, and many more such use cases. These integrations make your journey simple, fast, 100% digital, and more importantly, safe and secure. Today, I am going to talk about one more similar digital public infrastructure that has gained prominence recently, that also allows you to share data securely. This is Account Aggregator. An account aggregator is a type of RBI regulated entity that helps you securely and digitally access and share information from one financial institution to any other regulated financial institution within the account aggregator network. And this is done only with your consent. I'm glad to announce that starting today, you will be able to track your portfolio holdings or shares across all stockbrokers on Dhan. And this is powered by the account aggregator framework. Enabling this and tracking your stocks on Dhan is extremely simple and fast, and it just requires a one-time setup. I'll quickly show you how you can explore this on the Dhan app. When you log in to your Dhan app, simply tap Portfolio section. And when you scroll down, you will find the option of external stocks. You can also select the tabs on top and scroll to the end. You will see external stocks option. Now tap on Start Tracking. Once you start this journey, you will be prompted for an OTP to register you with our partner account aggregator. On this step, you can choose to track your portfolio across NSDL or CDSL, which are the two depositories that hold your portfolio holdings. We will now securely discover all your accounts linked with CDSL. As mentioned, consent management is one of the most important aspects of the account aggregator framework. Once you consent to share this information, you should be able to see your stock holdings across all stockbrokers. On Dhan, you will be able to view all stock holdings in a consolidated way and also by each stockbroker. And of course, stocks held on Dhan account will be your main Dhan portfolio. I haven't even come to the best part. All of this information will be available to you real time during market hours. If you hold the same stocks across 3 different Demat accounts, for example, we will show you your total value of the stocks as well. Just remember, you need to have at least one holding in your Dhan Demat account for you to track and view all your stock holdings on Dhan. This is just the first phase of what we are planning to achieve via Account Aggregator on Dhan, and we have so much more incredible features lined up in the coming days. Do experience this today and let us know if you've discovered any forgotten gems in your portfolio. Download the latest app of Dhan and get started with your journey with us. Thank you.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.